Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is your boy Sherry. Welcome to the Sherry Show. So guys, we're here at the Toronto Island, the Central Island I was telling you guys about a couple weeks ago. बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. इतनी पब्लिक भरी हुई है because of summer, as you guys can see. Ferry हमें लेके जाएगी island तक, and it's gonna be. Look at the lineup. You guys see the lineup? It's going all the way there. But mom and everyone was already in the line, so we made it to the gate 8. So we're gonna scan our tickets for all of us, and we're gonna head in. We are at the island. So they have it nice set up. They have all the gates here, gate 1, 2, and 3, and then everyone's gonna go slowly. You get it? So that ferry is full, okay? So every 10 minutes to 15 minutes ferry आती है और फिर लोगों को लेके जाती है. इतनी public जा रही है, so they have to go every 15 minutes. We are entering inside the ferry. So there's 3 floors to the ferry. This is the middle one. मज़ा तो अब आएगा जब यहाँ से हम निकलेंगे. Then I'll show you guys the whole thing. The island is right over there, so our ferry will take us from here to there. So in the Toronto Island, इसमें सारी safety है. These are all the life jackets in case if anything happens. These are all for the wheelchair और बच्चों के लिए बनाया हुआ है. And this is the window. You can still see everything from here. और ये हमारी अम्मी बैठी है. So guys, we're finally here at the Toronto Island. और ये जो मैं आप लोगों को अगला दिखाने वाला हूँ, ये मैप है to show you कि island कितना बड़ा है और आपको कहाँ कहाँ जाना है. And can I have the map please? Thank you. And this is going to be the map that you can open it. और इसमें पूरी information है कि आपको कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ restrooms हैं and everything. This is the honest beauty of Toronto Island, and look at the public. इतने लोग हैं because it's Sunday और यहाँ पे अभी बच्चों की स्कूल की छुट्टी भी नहीं हुई है. So when kids are off from their school, imagine how packed this place is gonna be. Like अभी देखिए माशाल्लाह लोग इतना enjoy कर रहे हैं, and you can see how many people are here. So this is a spot you can get the tickets for all the rides. Okay, so there's mini rides for the kids. There's all the other over there. तो बच्चों के लिए भी उन्होंने बनाया है. It's not just for elders. They have a lot of activities for the kids as well. So when we went to buy the tickets for all the ferry and everything, so today's Father's Day, so because of that, I get to go for free on all the rides with Zavi. And my wife is so mad. Zavi and Baba can go all the rides! Yay! Zavi, are you excited for the ride? Zavi! Woo! So Zavi and Baba are going to the horse ride. Say yes, Zavi. Say bye, Zavi, say bye. Bye. See ya. So we're gonna enjoy this little ride with Xavier. He's gonna sit over there and it's gonna be a blast. Hi Xavi! Xavi! Whoa! Xavi's back! That's our ride! Are you excited, Xavi?
How many people?
Woo! Yay! Woo! You liking it, Xavi? Woo! Yeah, turn! Our next stop is gonna be even crazier. Oh my God, we're gonna go right on top of that. बच्चों के चक्कर में I'm enjoying it. Because of Father's Day, we're enjoying the day at Toronto Island. If you haven't brought your kids, लेकर आए. किस चीज का वेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Whoa!
Xavi!
This is our last ride. Park बंद हो जाएगा 6 बजे for the rides. So we're enjoying the thing. One thing, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I know we all work very hard for our kids. So enjoy your Father's Day and with your loved ones, family, kids. Like how I'm enjoying with my baby, my son Xavier. The best part about Toronto Island, the view. The view is to die for. Love you like the view? Now we are going to the park side of the island. यहाँ पे खूबसूरत पार्क बनाए हुए उन्होंने, आप बैठे हैं, बारबेक्यू करें, just chill. So we're done with the island. We had a great day today. बड़ा मज़ा आया. इतनी अच्छी rides थी, and for the Father's Day, all the fathers were free, and we only have to pay for kids. So that was a good part. अब चलते हैं towards the exit, and that's going to be another hectic thing. 2 घंटे की कम से कम return की lineup होगी. So let's see how that's gonna go. This is the exit line. It starts from here. And it's going all the way there. So it's gonna take us 2 hours just to get to the exit where we can take the ferry from. Badi lagne wali hai boss. So the line is moving slowly. We're gonna make it by Monday. Monday tak ghar pahunch jayenge inshallah. We have made it to the final line. ये final line है जिससे हम जाएंगे अंदर और हमारी ferry अंदर. The ferry is right there. I don't know if we would be able to catch that one or which one. So let's see. So ये view है that where this is the lineup. This is the final lineup. That's the ferry. So I don't know हमें कौन सी मिलेगी. हमें ये वाली मिलेगी या दूसरी वाली. So bye to the Toronto Island. I had a great day and I hope आप लोगों को भी मज़ा आया हो. मैं जितना दिखा सकता था मैंने दिखाया. So I hope you guys liked it too. Time to go home. Now this is the best ride because we're gonna go from here to the stop. And ये ride जो है ना वो best है, amazing. I love it. This is the sunset in downtown Toronto, and that's the Toronto Island that we just came from. MashaAllah. So we're done with today's vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe, bell icon, like, share, and comments. Keep those things going, and I'm going to keep on making amazing vlogs for you guys. So do not forget to subscribe, guys. Keep your support going. Logging off from Sherry Show.